I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to close your account on Magento, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Magento account using your credentials. This is essential to access the account settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings section. This is usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Find the account closure option. In the account settings, look for an option that mentions account closure or deactivation. It might be under Privacy or Security tab. Step 4. Follow the closure instructions. Click on the account closure option and follow the on-screen instructions. You may need to confirm your decision and provide a reason for closing. Step 5. Check for confirmation email. After submitting your request, check your email for a confirmation message from Magento. Make sure to follow any additional steps mentioned in that email. Remember, once your account is closed, you may lose access to your previous orders and data, so make sure you have everything you need before proceeding. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Good luck!